Just got a Mitsubishi Triton in here, and it's had a throttle control unit put on, one of those little cheap Chinese square ones that they're all selling for $200 or $300. And of course they didn't want to put it in, but the kids told them to put it in. They've put it in, and now they've got nothing but troubles. We've got engine lights on. If we start it up, it smokes like hell. When you're sort of driving it on the road, the throttle's all over the place. So get everything disconnected and start doing some diagnostics. Just be careful, guys, when you're buying these cheap, crappy products from China. You've got to be very, very careful, because these things are good enough quality as they are from Japan. We add on cheap quality parts. We know fuel filters, air filters, all that stuff. We see it. Same with these electronic things, even worse so, because it can cause problems, and that can lead to big money and damage. So we'll do a bit more diagnostics, see what we can come up with, and come back and report back later. I'm Andrew from Berrimah Diesel. You can see more of these videos on our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or look us up to find out how to look after your diesel at berrimahdiesel.com.